You wanna go run outside? Let's go. You go run? Go. Come on, JD. Come on. You gonna go play? Go play. Go. Go play in the snow. Go running. What? Go. You gonna go nuts in the snow? Go, girl. Go. JD, you got an itch? You gonna eat the snow? Go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Good girls. Oh, that's the farthest Jade has gone out in it. Woo! You gonna eat it, Soph? Are you eating it? JD too? Is it still snowing? Go play. Go play. Can you go play? Go run. Go, Sophie. Go, Soph. Go, Soph. Go. You ready to go back in? Huh? You ready to go back in? Whoa, this is deep. Look at a foot. It's like 5 inches, almost 6 inches. Whoa. Okay.